What's up? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we'll be talking about those pesky cracks that might be showing up in the corners of your home from door frames or window frames, or even right in the middle of the wall, just like this one right here. So these can often be caused by the natural expansion and contraction of the organic materials in your home, but if they continuously reappear after being patched or continue to grow over the course of an extended period of time, it may be something a little bit more significant than organic materials expanding and contracting. If your home's on a raised foundation, it may be a pretty good idea to hop in the crawl space and take a look. We often see some really crazy stuff, kind of like this or this, which may be playing a little bit of a role. If your home's on a slab foundation, there are tons of variables, but more than likely, the clay soils that make up Southern California may be settling beneath your foundation. If you'd like an experienced and licensed opinion, you can always give us a call and schedule a free foundation inspection, and that's your tip of the day.